onye ọbụla bụ onye Eastern Security Network nọ n'ime ọhịa si na ọ na-eche ka ndị Fulani hapụ ịbịa mee invade ala Igbo. Ana m akpọ unu, I'm calling all the Eastern Security Network that is inside the bush to leave the bush immediately.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, please follow me carefully and watch this particular video. If you know that you are following me because of what I'm doing here, do well to share this video and drop your opinion in the comment section. This our brother who based in America don't finally come out to send a warning to the Eastern Security Network, telling them to come out from the bush because Igbo people don't value them. So just take on to your time and listen to him, and do not forget to share so that other Biafrans, other people can be able to benefit from this particular video, because it is good to be good. Watch this video and share your opinion in the comment section. One love.
Eji m ohere na-akpọ ndị Eastern Security Network. Onye ọbụla bụ onye Eastern Security Network nọ n'ime ọhịa si na ọ na-eche ka ndị Fulani hapụ ịbịa mee invade ala Igbo. Ana m akpọ unu, I'm calling all the Eastern Security Network that is inside the bush to leave the bush immediately. Unu si n'ime ọhịa pụsịa. Ndị unu na-echebe, ndị unu na-aga n'ime ọhịa na-eche, na-protect. Ha valugo unu. Unu si n'ime ọhịa ebe ahụ unu ọpụtasịa ka ndị Fulani bata bịa gbuchie ha, idiot ndị Igbo. Unu amaghị ihe. Ndị Eastern Security Network ana m asị unu si n'ime ọhịa, m na-arịọ unu biko, m na-egburu na ikpere n'ala. Unu si n'ime ọhịa ebe ahụ unu pụtasịanụ hapụ Fulani ka ha bịa gbuo ndị iberibe. Mgbe Nnamdi Kanu kpọpụtara ndị Eastern Security Network, ọ bụ Nnamdi Kanu nọ n'ime prison. Ọkwa ndị Igbo kpọkọtara aka tugbuo Nnamdi Kanu n'ime prison. Unu pụtasịa hapụ ihe ahụ unu na-eche. Ndị unu na-eche ego ole ka ha na-atụtara unu? Ndị gịnị ka ha na-enye unu? Unu si ebe a mpụtasịa, unu hapụ ha ka bịa gbuchie ha, ndị ara kpọrọ onwe ha ndị Igbo. Animal everywhere.
The Nigerian army don't finally send some Nigerian soldiers enter inside Biafra land. Waiting be the work of this soldier for inside Biafra land, not to buy.
Okay, my wonderful people, viewers and subscribers, watching the happen for Biafra land now. You see, when they talk all these things, say we are not yet ready for what we are doing, some people will get angry. Can you imagine that there's ISWAP attack in Imo State? There is ISWAP attack in Imo State. More than 50 ISWAP members were deployed to Biafra land, courtesy using Imo State government. In fact, using our resources in Imo State government to deploy them to Biafra land. And they went inside Futo in Onowere to carry out the jihadist attack, where we lost over hundreds of men and women in numbers. My brothers, we are not yet ready. Please, don't backlash me. We are not yet ready. You know it and I know it. Let us stop lying to ourselves. Now, Gentle Dijahu now vow to fight as Nigerian government deploy many repentant Boko Haram terrorist soldiers to Biafra land. Wahala deo. We are not yet ready. Our land are being surrounded. The day I give this, whether you call it a video, a prediction, or a prophecy, that our land have been surrounded, the video even didn't even get viral. I swear that is the most painful part of it. This kind of video, when you saw it, it will not go viral because maybe the headline is not captivating, it's not capturing you. I mean, it's not propagandous. Nobody will share, nobody will watch it. Even the people who will watch it won't even watch it to the end. Almost everything I have said is beginning to happen now. I'm not a prophet, oh please, and I'm not speaking like Mazen Namdekano, so don't even judge us. We are not the same people. Everybody have their own gift, and everybody is unique in their own way. So please don't even say, oh, now you are speaking like Mazen Namdekano. No, I can never speak like him, and I will never be like him. He is Namdekano. I am Okute. As simple as that. But let us always be mindful. I mean, let us always circulate every video that we see on this, our Biafra struggle. It will help us a lot. If that video would have been circulated, maybe it would have gotten to the ears of those who said, let us listen to this young man, whether what he's saying is true or not. We have been surrounded. This one is just, they are just tasting water. Let me repeat, they are just tasting water. These people is going to, look at what is happening in Enugu State now. In Enugu State, it's military, right? Deploy military in uniform with full regalia, and they open fire. I mean, begin to burn one community completely. When they burn them, they will chase them away, and then Fulani will come down there to take over. And when we are talking, some people will say us like we are mumu, like we are looking for cheap propaganda, we are looking for audience. I have said this in before. Let me repeat myself in case you don't know. All this thing I'm shouting, all this thing that I'm shouting every day, if I decide not to come down to Biafra land, my brother, if I decide not to come down to Biafra land, or maybe a day, or one would there come with a family in another place. I say, okay, my brothers and sisters, my brother, they can take care of themselves. None of them is even a. In fact, I am the last born in a family of 9. I am the last born. No father, no mother. So I don't even think there's anything that is going to bring me down to that to that zoo again, or maybe going to Biafra land, if I choose not to. But when I cry here, some people will say, "Oh, you need an audience, you need this, you need that." My brother, if you cannot share the video, it's up to you. I have long already run away from it. When I begin to see the signs that zoo is not for us, I ran for my life. Any video you see me making here is not it's not for content sake, my brother. Share it. It get purpose. If you not pick any point there, somebody out there will pick a point. If you don't understand the message, somebody out there will understand it and make use of it. If there's no any propagandous headline, oh, nobody is going to watch it. The video will just die like a wildfire. On our way down, let us listen to this message, and then we'll come back here to discuss more, if there is a time for that.
As you do your waka, may you be very, very careful right now. Let me play this video by General Asabuja as he expose this secret, and also say something.
General Asabuja, the great honor. The ambush of the children, the great honor. Honor, they hear what's in the happen. They don't deploy, but say, make I give an information. Source, right information. They don't deploy soldiers come southeast this morning, today. Will be Monday. Now, yesterday, Sunday, they begin to move. Today will be Monday. Deploy assassin. Come southeast. Deploy enough soldiers will be assassin, higher killer, come southeast.
Do you know that one of the decision makers in that deployment of soldiers is still Christopher Musa, and they will tell you now tomorrow is a Christian, but that guy is a pure Muslim and Fulani jihadist terrorist. He come and hide in the name of Christopher to deceive the gullibles who believe that everything is all about religion. Okay, now. The same way Yakubu go on, they use him to buy the Biafran. That's the same way now they are using the same Christopher Musa, who is also a Christian, to buy Christians. The same way they use T.Y. Danjuma, who is also a Christian, to buy Christians in 1967, 1968, 1970, 1969, 1970. The same way they are using Christopher Musa, who is also a Christian, to buy Christians. The only Christian who have tried to make sure that he wipe away all these miscreants from the surface of this earth is Ihe Ejirika, but they fought tooth and nail to make sure they remove him, because their agenda is to train all these ones for a future fracas. In fact, for a future takeover of that zoo they called Nigeria. On our way done.
Anybody go down against Tinubu, they go whiskey and they go remove him. Anybody go down against City Boys, they go remove him. Anybody go down against this election, we go fight, they go buy him. Secret arrest. So make everybody do vigilant. Now the election don't turn to do or die. It don't turn to killing or assassin. So everybody be a brothers keepers. Any movement you see for night, come among and no agree. Any arrest you see for people that no agree, make the community gather, make the masses gather, make the village people gather, make the street gather. Any arrest where they cover face, make on a no go. Where they wear mask, make on a no go. And then they hide them. Any arrest where they cover face come, they feed by you. We no be police van, no be healers. Private car, Then cover face. Make una no gree, community no gree, street no gree, masses no gree. Because now they don't deploy soldiers and there are people where they do dirty work. Come southeast. We go there, anyone with there against president, with there against city boys, make them remove them, make them pick them up. As they pick them up, if it no come back, you no go where. The thing don't turn to do or die. Make una wake up. This announcement, pass and go round. Send this message. My brothers in southeast wake up. They don't deploy enough people where they buy people for them. Please. You don't settle with Tinubu. You get what's up with the thing. If you dey follow Tinubu, no follow corner. Tinubu go tell you something. Now lie. Nothing Tinubu go tell you. Tinubu don't get anything to tell you. Now you remember. They did like this. Front and back. Use long spoon follow. If you dey follow Tinubu, no follow corner. Tinubu go tell you something. You lie. He don't get anything to tell you. Tinubu dey listen to Wike. Tinubu dey listen to Wike. The thing dey vex me. See everybody, all the Chijoke they have all the delegates, all the people who go pick from, all the people where you bring. See how they turn them down. Say they never defend from APP. They supposed to defend from APP, enter APC. So all of them, they APP. You see condition where they use with them. See style where they use with them. Say them been they APP before. They never defend for public. They never defend openly. They will say they don't get APC card. They don't get card. They don't get so this one. They don't get this one. See, don't see the game. No be money they talk. Now money they talk. Leave all those stories. All those stories say they don't get this one. They don't get this one. Say they never do this one. Now cash, now money. See, for now money they talk. We just have been rob money. It's have been drop out. And they talk and every time the Bible say giving of a man make way for him. I don't know what you see they do. They enjoy people. Indigene, non-indigene. Okay, China will take reverse to Nasha they talk. I need good government. I go work with anybody who come. When the good government, I go work with them. Anybody who come to revive River State, I go work with them. Anybody who come to renew River State, I go work with them. And the thing is, enough is enough. I don't talk enough. They declare me wanted last time because of sin. Instead they do that quietness. Instead they do gentleness. Not let you do gentleness, man. Push money, you don't go push. Do things you don't go do. Person they say river, soup the pepper that for eye. It good. The money there with you, the cash there. Now you go knife, now you go yam, nothing they happen. You don't know where to cut them. You don't know where to cut the yam. You don't go where to reverse me, reverse me. Tomorrow I go say, as Abuja don't change, the water don't change. Now like this. Man what the masses like, the masses they fight for. You don't know say they fight for them. The masses they support you. You don't know say they support you. You know they look people where they support you. Simplify, simplicity, simplify, simplicity. All you turn us down. You turn all of us down. You don't know say that they support you. You put shame for our eye. You dey hold the money hand, no be your own. You put shame for our eye. To push this money, make you get what you need to fight. Now trouble. Ordinary waterway. When would they call surveillance? Up till now, no payment. Up till now, nothing they happen. How the boss wanted they happy with you? I know how many people don't call me. How they want to get happy? How they want to jolly with you? For this kind of hardship. No money. This is they go well. You to give, you don't go give. Bring out money and say excellence, you don't go bring. Give out, you don't go give. Which one will they follow? You know what will they talk? Tomorrow now, Weekend will come, carry money, give all these boys. All of them will change, follow Weekend. It can't be like say they be bad person. Mama, Papa, young and old. Weekend will come tomorrow now, robbing one everywhere. All of them will go follow Weekend. It will come be like say Weekend don't win again or it don't take over. Now like this. The man where he carry for mind, the man where they dance with, today they say you they dance with them. The man where you love, then they say you love him. The man where they fight for, either they say they fight for him. The man where you carry for head, you know no say you carry for head. You don't go well, no. Indigene, non-indigene, you don't go well. The governor see Fubara, I don't know why this kind of quietness, he the warriors. We go there again, we can go take River State again. We go there again, we can attack River State. Or they see the leg, or they see the game. We don't need to talk, or they see them. No be say money no day. We dey wait for I don't know. We cannot start since the press money everywhere, the lobby money everywhere. It don't start since yesterday. You dey wait for who I don't know. We dey wait for. Make we praise you say save money. Make we happy say save money. Now what you would talk? In the same money with the hungry, with the die for poverty, for hardship. Things don't they move. You don't go well, no. You don't go well. See which candidate, they take all which candidate. Yeah, the sitting governor candidate, no way. The excellency candidate, no way. They even pass them back. They even reject them, make they don't go. You don't go well, no. You don't go well. Thank you very much. Thank you. I don't.
My people, I don't see them as it they happen. Now, so they bring a common question. I beg share this video and drop your own opinion inside comment section so that people will know how it will go. Nigeria Army is always sending their military to Southeast. Why the North is falling? Remember what Mazina the Carlo said? You will send your army to the Southeast and the terrorists will take over the land in the North.
Yes, so I agree with what Mazen Namdekano said, but it seems like that message now is working against us. I am not against the person that passed on the message. Don't get it twisted. But it seems like that message is working against us because the same terrorist who is taking over their land is now being deployed to our own land, because when they take over their lands, the military have no might again to fight them. Then they will begin to go into the military, just like what is happening now. So it seems like that thing is working against us now, because the Fulanis now that is taking over their land is now being deployed to our own land to come and take over our own land too. But the question there now is, what are the Igbos doing about it? Nothing. They are busy fighting themselves on the line. They are busy having one discussion or the other through one scallywag of a bar-headed woman that is causing commotion everywhere. Nobody is focusing on what is happening now. Nobody is focusing on Mazen Namdekano. Nobody is focusing on Biafra. Everybody now is focusing on Nneka Lolo Chimezie. That is the aim of bringing her into the system. That is what she has been paid for. Decide these people. Decide them so that we will be doing our dirty job while they will be busy online arguing who is genuine and who is not genuine. And they have achieved that aim. Look at the attack in Owerri Futo. Look at the attack in Ezagi in Enugu State. But our people is online. The only thing they talk is not even about what is happening currently, but about the behavior of the so-called Lolo Nneka Chimezie. Where do we get it all wrong? That is the question we all need to ask ourselves. And until then, if you have any answers, please drop it at the comment section of this video. There's no much time. I cannot read comments. But I want you to drop your own comments below. Have a nice day. Messiano. Please circulate this message. Don't make it abandon. The headline might not be that sweet, but my brother, the content of this message need to be shared. Makada mama. Kachineke mezioku.